Hello, hello, world. Hello, Philippines. Hello, hello, Boracay once again. This is late afternoon now. I just had one drink somewhere at Tita Mag's place there. So I just had one drink with friend. And now I'm continuing my video footage for this crowd that is started to have a good crowd now here in Boracay. It's a group of people there doing some event. I like this game. It's a crazy volleyball game. Beautiful. Wow, I like to get close to this one.
Guys, makinig ha. Stop muna. Tapos pag may mali, stop muna, stop muna. Pwede na, pwede na. Pwede na? Pwede na? Pwede na magbigay? Instruction? Okay, ganito lang po. Very simple. Dalawa na ang natin, policy. Rules natin, pag out, point. Pag na-touch ang ground, point. Yun lang po, wala nang iba.
Okay.
So, ilang oras
I think you have to restart the game again.
It's up to you guys. Okay? Oh, basta wala
This is a surf beach in Ocean Club.
15 points.
I have to walk all the way to station 2.
Team Sakaya.
Team Sakaya. Makinig kayo.
Okay, are you guys ready for 15 points? Ang una maka 7 points, change
Score.
Okay. Asan ang
Wait lang.
whistle natin?
Yung bola natin, ingatan nyo kasi nag-iisang bola lang yan.
Oo.
I don't see where's this
10 games pa
speaker.
natin gagamitin yun.
Now I see the speaker.
Okay. Sir, sino sa na whistle? Lifeguard, mayroong whistle. Whistle.
Nasaan yung whistle ko?
So, sino yung police natin para sa out? Dito? Si ano dito? Melbourne? Baka parang ang laki.
Poker face. Oh my gosh, look at those people. Just come out in big boats. It's a nice day now. Now I have catch up with the sunset.
Okay, sino magpupulis dito? Sir Christian? Si Ma'am Maribel. Nasaan na yung ating referee?
Nandito ako, wait lang. Sige.
Okay, posisyon!
Nasaan kayo? 1, 2, 3. 10 kayo, 10. Okay, hawak. Hawak kayo, baka tulong mo ang bola dyan. Okay lang? Sige. Kasi, team bali-bali. Sir! Sir na!
Oh yeah, activities back to life. The activities is back to life. Back to life, back to life. So the party boats are back here in this side. We just come up from the boat tour. Korean. So the people are still enjoying swimming. Okay. I haven't found the right. Okay. Boat. Party boat, one of the party boats just arrived. Okay. The others are still up there. It's big glittering lights far off. I'll sit down for a while. could sunbathe tomorrow. Go to the gym. I should go to the gym tomorrow. And then sunbathing. But this side is quite a lot of people. This is station 3. Already at station 3. On the way to station 2. It's amazing how the lights reflections into the camera, while if you look at it personally it's different, but the light reflections on the camera is very, very bright. If you see it in your actual eyes beyond the camera, it's different. You don't have to pass by here. Right, I have to change focus soon. Thanks. It's just one, just arrived as well. It's a party boat. It's another part, no, that's just a pickup boat. There's a party boat there. And then there's more coming that way. See, it's more coming. This big one party boat, I think that might be the Reedwell. So all that. People are still enjoying on the seaside. Okay, I'm gonna cut off my video right here at Paradise Garden.